how to fix Netflix account is on hold. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix Netflix account is on hold. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your Netflix account on this app or web version. So right now I'm opening in the Chrome browser. So I have to type in the source field for netflix.com. Alright, so after you come on this Netflix sign in option, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your, you'll have to give your email address here. Alright, so now on this section, you'll have to give your password. Alright, so after you complete this, you'll have to just tap on the sign in option. Okay, so now from here, simply tap on the sign up. Alright, so after you log in with your Netflix account on the app, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to firstly check your payments from here. So you have to settle the payment of your subscription. So if any payments are pending for your subscription, that reason might be holding your account. So now from there you have to settle that payment, and from there you can fix the problem like Netflix account is on hold. And although you have already settled the payment and you are still facing the problem, you'll have to just cancel your membership from there, and from there you'll have to again tap on the restart membership, and from there you can easily solve that problem. And if you are still facing that problem, you might be trying to upgrade your membership on Netflix. So from there you can also fix that problem. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.